Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can grab your PracticeBetter client ID and client secret in order to sync it up with Clinic Sync Pro. So all you need to do is you need to basically go to your settings and preferences. And then on the setting and preferences, at the bottom, you have API access. You just click on that. You shouldn't see anything in here. So what's going to look like is you're probably not going to have anything in here. And all you need to do is you're going to go ahead and click on this plus, create a key. And for the Clinic Sync Pro to actually be able to work for the sync, we need read and write access. So that means that we would be able to create patient, create appointments, and also retrieve those details as well. You can name it whatever you like. So I can name this like key number 4, for example. And then you hit on create. Once you hit on create, you will get the client ID and client secret. You want to save this somewhere because once you hit on done, you won't be able to see this again. Now, before doing that, obviously you want to grab the client ID. So copy the client ID like this, if it allows me. Just give me a sec. It's a bit hard to grab it, so I'm just going to grab the client ID, then I'm going to go in here. I'm going to paste it in here. Well, it's not letting me, so I'm just going to delete this segment and delete this segment. It is always better to just copy the whole thing in a text edit and then come back and copy and paste it again. And then I'm just going to try to grab the client secret and then go back and paste it here. Again, it's not letting me, and then delete this. So now we have the client secret and the client ID, and all you need to do is gonna click on start sync. And once the sync is started, you will see that it first goes into progress. So basically, we want to get connected to your PracticeBetter, and then after that, if you pasted these two correctly, it's gonna turn into active, and you will start to see the information coming through.